So in this question, we're told that the semicircle below has a radius of 5 root 2 centimeters. So that is going to be the value of this length here from A to B. So just over from the middle to the right, we can actually form a triangle here down the middle as well. So we could just draw a dotted line all the way down from D down to A. And we're just asked, what is the area of the blue shaded regions? So these kind of regions in here, I think there's a word for them like loon or something along those lines. But we're just going to be focusing on finding this value here. So the most straightforward way to do this is to find the value of the semicircle and then subtract the value of the triangle. So I put a kind of pseudo equation up here on the top right, or kind of, just to give us an indication of what we're actually going to do here. So to find the value of the semicircle, we're just going to take a half pi r squared, and we know that our radius is going to be 5 root 2. And so it's going to be a half times pi times 5 root 2 all to be squared, and that is going to give us a value of 25 pi squared. We're just going to leave it in terms of pi for now. And the area of the triangle is just going to be a half times the base times the height. And so we can just label those now as well. So we've got a half times the base, which we know is going to be 5 root 2 or 10 root 2. So that's just twice our radius. And then we've got to multiply by the height. And we also know that the height is the same value as the radius because this is just a semicircle. And so we know this length here, if you can see there in the shaded area, is also going to be 5 root 2 centimeters. And when we plug that in, we're just going to get a value of 50. So we've got 50 centimeters squared as our area of our triangle. And so the value of the blue shaded area we're going to look for here is just going to be 25 pi minus 50 times centimeters squared, which is going to give us 28.54 centimeters squared. So that is going to be our final answer. Even if you got it in this form, that's usually what they want in the exam is in terms of pi, but our actual exact answer is just going to be this 28.54.